Hi, this is Daniel, and I want to invite you to my workshop, Transform Your Intranet in Less Than 4 Hours. There are many organizations who are still using the classic SharePoint experience for their intranet. While it has served all of us well in the past, the classic SharePoint online experience is no longer getting investment focus from Microsoft. To gain access to the new functionality and future improvements, you must look to modernize your intranet based on SharePoint Online. In this workshop, we will walk through modernizing your SharePoint Online intranet together. Of course, we're going to walk through modernizing those classic sites, but we're also going to address hub site planning and management, as well as how do you make use of Microsoft 365 groups for your existing sites. I hope you'll join us. Register today.